The Silent Owl, illustrated by Sam McPhillips and written by Clemency Pearce. In the great old hollow oak lived an owl who never spoke. Fox asked, "Why do you never speak?" But Owl refused to move his beak. Badger huffed, "How very rude!" But Owl could not be moved. A swooping bat whooped, "Say hello!" But Owl was silent far below. A pair of mice squeaked in his ear, "Is it that you cannot hear?" But Owl just rolled his giant eyes and stared up at the starry skies. Squirrel scolded, "Are you nuts?" But Owl ignored his toothy tots. Rat cried, "Owl, that isn't right." But Owl just gazed into the night. Stag said, "Owl, we need a sign to let us know that you are fine." So all the creatures gathered round to see if Owl would make a sound. They stared at the Owl. He stared right back. Who would be the first to crack? Stag declared, "He must be mute, or he doesn't give a hoot." At this the Owl produced a trumpet, a big bass drum, and stick to thump it. Although Owl wouldn't hoot, he played bongos, piano, guitar, and flute. The animals cheered. What a clever bird! And Owl just winked without a word.